everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are going to download the MySQL installer and I will tell you the step-by-step procedure how you can do it. So this is the MySQL community downloads. So here you will come and download this. Here you have to download the Windows MSI installer, the second option. So the .msi file will be downloaded. After it is downloaded, just simply double click it. Then an interface will open. It will start installing. Simply choose custom option here next. From here, you have to choose MySQL Server 8.046. So just add it to there. Then in application, we have to choose Workbench and SQL Share also. So these three things we have to download: server, Workbench, and share. Next, execute. Now all the three things will be installed. So all the three things are downloaded: the server, the MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. So the next step is you have to click on the next. Next. And here you have to choose development computer and keep the port as it is. You have to choose a root password here. Remember this password because we will need it while connection. So make sure you're typing the password correctly. Next. Next. MySQL service, Windows service name. Next. Now execute. Wait till all the things become green tick. So once everything is executed, SQL shell and the workbench will open. Now you have to set up the environment variable. For that, we have to go to the path of the MySQL server. So in the Windows file, Windows C drive, program files, MySQL, you will find MySQL server. Then in the bin folder, you have to copy this address and type environment variable. So here you have to go in advanced environment variables, and in system variables, you have to go in the path, double click it and add a new path that you have copied just now. So we have successfully done everything. Now we will check this command prompt. So just write MySQL dash dash version. So it will show you the version 8.0.46. That means it is installed. Now MySQL.u, that is a user, that is root and password. So here you have to write your password, which so once it is done, MySQL will execute. Now we'll just execute a simple command like show database. So whatever databases are there that will be shown. These are the by default database provided in the MySQL, so that you can see here. Now we will open the MySQL Workbench. This is nothing but a UI basically. So here we'll open the local instance MySQL 80 and we'll write our password here for making the connection. So once you make the connection, an interface will be open where you can execute the commands. So let's just we'll execute one select command. Select 1 plus 6. So we'll get output as 7. So this was all from my side. So the link is in the description so that you can download, follow these steps. In the next video, we'll start learning about the databases.